Hello, we are going to continue building our homepage. So far we have built a slider section and a blurb section. In this video we will build a section where we can display some products that are on sale. First, we have to make sure that we have products with discounted prices. If we go to products, you can see that we have two books with lower prices. If you don't have any products on sale, you can just go to Edit, and here you can set a sale price, and then just click Update. Okay, so in my case, we are good to go. So let's go to the home page and enable the Visual Builder. Okay, so first I want to add a section title. So let's create a new section with one column. As always, go to section settings first. Set the background to F1, F1, F1. Then Design tab and Spacing. And add 0 pixel to the top. And 10 pixel to the bottom. Let's add the text module. And let's call it Books on Sale. In the Design tab, select Heading Text, and let's set this text as an H2 heading. Make it ultra bold. Okay, I've just made a mistake. I set this text to heading text, an H2 text, but in the content section, I didn't set it to be an H2. Okay, now it's better. So if we go back to design, heading text, okay, I set it to ultra bold. Now we can see the changes. I want this capitalized. The text color, I'm okay with this. And let's make this a little bit bigger, like 30 pixel. I also want to add a divider under this module. So just let's select the divider module. And we can go to the Design tab straight away. Okay, we have our primary color for the line. That's fine. In the sizing options, let's make this a little bit wider, maybe 2 pixel. But I don't want this to be 100% wide, so just let's decrease it. Maybe to 7%. Okay, and the modular alignment is left. Okay, we need to adjust the spacing a little bit. Let's add -19 pixel, top margin, and -23 to the bottom. Okay, so we will have some space between this module and the next module we will place underneath the title section. Okay, let's save the changes. And since we are going to need more sections with section title, I'm just going to save this entire section I just created for later use. So just click here and save this to the library. You can add any title for this. I just call it section title and just save it to library. Okay, just make sure you save the whole thing again, and we can create a new section. Let's add the new section. We'll select this column structure. Let's go to section settings and set the background color to F1, F1, F1. And we also have to add some adjustment to the row settings. first set the background to white, and then under the design tab, the spacing options, let's add 0 pixel bottom padding and 27 to the right. If you're wondering where I'm pulling these numbers, yes, I did some experiment before. Yeah, we have some box shadow here too, so let's add that to the entire row. Okay, let's start with the second row. Here I want to display my products, so let's add a shop module. Okay, in the product view type, select sale products, okay, because we want to display only the products that are on sale. I want to display 2 products at any given time. If you want, you can change the order. These are the options, but I'm okay with the default settings. Okay, under the design tab, first let's go to the overlay options. This will control the hover overlay settings. So I want the overlay icon color to be white. The overlay background color is currently white, but I want to change that. Okay, this is much better. Okay, if you want, you can change the icons. Okay, let's go to the image options. Here the only thing I want to change is the image box shadow. Okay, right now all product images have a white background, but since the background color of our row is also white, this makes the product image just to blend into the background, and I don't like that. So if I add a box shadow, maybe this one is okay. Okay, I want to add some styling to this title text and then the pricing text. So I just go to title text first. I want this to be bold. I want it center aligned and maybe a little bit larger font size, maybe 21. Okay, let's go to the price text. Semi-bold. We can also center align it. The color should be our primary color and maybe 16 pixel. And let's make it italic. Okay, so we have our product section. In the first column, I want to add a countdown timer. So let's add a countdown timer module here. Let's call this remaining time. Here you can set the date, and we don't need background color. Let's go to the design tab. Set the text to dark. And in the spacing options, add 0 pixel top padding. Underneath this countdown timer, I want to add an arrow that points to the products. So let's add a new module, and it's going to be an image module. Let's upload an image. Okay, so all we have to do here actually is to just align this image to the right. If you want, you can play with the spacing options. I think it's okay. Okay, let's save this and let's see how it looks like. Okay, clearly there is something wrong here and there are too much space here. So let's go back. Let's go to section settings first, design, spacing, with top padding we can set it to 0. Okay, it's a bit better. And here we may have some caching problem because it's properly set to the right. Okay, let's save it again. Sometimes Divi starts acting up. If you see, we lost the design of the title text and the pricing text. And also it doesn't want to decrease this space here. What we can do is we can go to Divi theme options, builder, advanced, and clear this static CSS file generation options. Okay, save changes. And let's see if this helped. Not really. Okay, another thing we can try is go to the Divi theme options and disable the static CSS file generation options. And if we refresh, yes, now it works. We can see the changes. This is a little bit of annoying thing with Divi. Sometimes it just gets crazy and do all these kind of things, but usually these can be solved. In the next video, we are going to add the latest products section.